In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a Canva poster. We'll walk through the process from the moment you open Canva all the way to setting up your poster so it's ready to customize. This is perfect if you're creating something like an event flyer, a classroom poster, or a simple announcement. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look towards the top right corner and click on the button that says Create a Design. This is the starting point for almost everything you build in Canva, and it tells the platform what kind of layout and size you want to work with. After you click Create a Design, a search bar will appear. In that search bar, type the word poster. Canva will show you options specifically optimized for posters, which helps make sure your design will print clearly and look good on a wall or a board. Next, choose the design or size you want to use. You'll usually see a standard poster size, which works well for most needs. If Canva shows different poster formats, you can pick the one that best fits your purpose, like a regular poster or a smaller version. If you already know the exact dimensions you need, you can also select a custom size from the same menu and enter those values manually. Just remember that the size you choose here is what you'll be working with for the rest of your design. Once your blank poster opens, you'll see a panel on the left side of the screen. If you want to use a ready-made layout, click on Templates. This will open a large collection of poster templates created by designers. You can scroll or search within templates for something that matches your theme, such as business, school, or social event. When you find one you like, click on it and it will automatically apply to your poster. You can then replace the text, images, and colors while keeping the structure that's already been designed for you. If you prefer to build your poster entirely from scratch, click on Elements in that left-hand panel instead. Elements is where you'll find shapes, lines, graphics, icons, and more. You can drag these directly onto your poster, resize them, change their colors, and arrange them however you like. This approach gives you full creative control and is great if you have a very specific look in mind or want something completely unique. And that's the basic setup. Create a design, choose poster, select your size, then decide whether to start from a template or from scratch using elements.